Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, today I'm going to showcase the Kegiatan blog website that I've been developing for the entirety of the KKN period. So, as you can see, we're at the Google homepage. To access the Cokroblog website, you can simply type cokroblog.com. Seeing that, it will be the first to come up in the search bar. Clicking it, it'll load, and this is what you will be greeted with. Now, the Cokroblog website is a blog website meant to empower the community for the sharing of interesting blog posts. As you can see, the home screen will showcase several of the blog posts made by students, faculty members, or teachers, or even normal citizens. Scrolling down, you will see the video profile that we have created for Taman Rapid. Going even further, you will see different blog posts again, as well as highlighted blog posts that will show up. From now on, I'll change it to Bahasa Indonesia so that it's much more easier to understand. Now I will be showcasing the features you can expect from the top to bottom of the Cokroblog blog website. First, there's a search bar in which you can type anything and find any post that you would like. Second, for a more generalized approach, you can look at the menu bar. This shows the categories of each certain articles, as well as the About Me page, the article page, poster page, and any contact page that we might have. In the bottom is the footer, with the KKN logo, as well as the address of where we are based, and the same information you can find in the header. Also, there's a WhatsApp and Instagram button, which will allow you to quickly contact the leaders of our team. First in the WhatsApp, and second in our KKN Instagram. Clicking articles will take you to this page right now. As you can see, the article page will house different types of blogs that is currently available in the website. And if you keep scrolling down, it will auto-generate new blog posts for you to see at your own viewing pleasure. The very top of the bar will include blog articles that often has video in them. So, if we click one here, you can see a blog post that is created by one of our team members, Faiz Bagas Kurniawan. So, you can see this is his blog post. And within each blog post, you have the ability to comment and give your own opinions and thoughts here. So, great video. For every comment, please write your name and email so that we know who is talking. If you like a certain blog article, you can share it with your friends by using the share button. Here it will give options such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, and vice versa. So, clicking here, it'll open WhatsApp, and it'll let you send a WhatsApp link to their Slack board. On top of that, there is tags. Tags are like subcategories. This will allow users to find similar posts and browse them at their content. So if we were to click the subunit 2 posts, all blog posts with subunit 2 will show up. Let's go back to the homepage. Now that you have familiarized yourself with the blog aspect of the website, let's go ahead and see the other features. The first feature is the About Us page. This will showcase our vision and our mission and what we believe in. Scrolling down, you'll be able to see a profile of our DPL Bu Nurul. And if you wish to do so, you can contact her via email, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Scrolling down even further, you're able to see the different members in our KKN group, starting from subunit 1 all the way to subunit 4. And this is a picture of what some of our teams look like. Moving on, you can also use the footer, so once we've done the About Me, let's go ahead and see the contact page. The contact page will show the location that we are based in. In this case, it is the Cokrokusuman. Now if you scroll down, this map is fully interactable, so you can zoom in and you can see your area relative to where the location we are based. Secondly, if you witness any bugs within the website, you can go ahead and report it here so that we are able to fix the issues. Finally, it's our poster page. The poster page is for blog articles that tend to be more graphic in nature, such as illustrations, posters, and leaflets. If you want to see a poster more clearly, you can go ahead and select it. Once you've clicked, it will focus on the poster and it will allow you to zoom, allowing you to read even further and even closer for those who are visually impaired. The poster also has a caption that will tell you what it's about and who made it, as well as the subunit they belong to. Even more, you're able to share it through Facebook, as well as zoom in or have an exact full screen to even see it closer, and move on to the next posters. Clicking the home screen again. And yeah, that is the Cokroblog blog website. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed developing it, And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And in the next video, we will attempt to discuss more on how we can create blog posts and how we can maintain the website for future use. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.